I just got an email from her from Canberra, Australia. I thought I'd tell you today the story of how my number 2 son was born and how I missed it. So number two son, we're supposed to, we did about 6 weeks of Le Mans classes and stuff like that before we got around to, he was supposed to be born. Okay. I got kidnapped by gypsies first thing in the morning. They had me so whacked up that I knew. And I tried from noon till 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I gotta be good now. I'll be okay. And I get down to the hospital and the doctor just looked at me and he went, "Hey, get this asshole out of here. Get him out of here. He's really drunk." Later, then he puts his mask on and goes in there and he deliver it. And he's disappointed kind of, but yeah, really don't want to get arrested or anything, like drunk in a hospital because he yeah. So 2 ambulance driver friends of mine show up. "Hey, Dave, let's go grab the road." And they help me to the ambulance. They put me in the ambulance, and they drive me over to my house. They drop me off. "Oh, thanks, buddy. Okay, see you later. You okay? Oh, okay. See you later." Smoking joints all the way, Anyway, I missed your boat. Sorry. That's what happened that time. And then there's number 1 son. Well, I missed that one too. This is the only Super 8 film that I've got of him when this is number 2 son, and he's about 7 years old, I'd say, about then. Well, I started out with the best of intentions, but then we fell in love, and you know what comes after that? Babies. She gets pregnant, and I missed the birth. That's the problem with looking back. You have to take the daymares with the nightmares, and the nightmares with the daymares. That's the way it goes. And then there's number 1 son. Well, I missed that one too.